they don't bother me, but the idea of what they don't want for us bothers me. Thank you, Odette. Sprinkle Sprinkle. Love the fact that you're keeping it real and giving us the truth. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Sprinkle Sprinkle. I appreciate that. Yeah. Because our game is better than theirs. That's why they mad. Our game is 10 times better than theirs, and they mad. Because we got something extra, baby, that can push our game to the next level and beyond. And the reason why it's upsetting is because, like I always say, I said this a lot in my older videos, it may take a man years, decades to become a millionaire. But it takes a woman less time because all she got to do is get married or date one. You know, that's all it takes. Just she could be broke today, shopping at whatever cheap store in the mall, to a millionaire in less than a year. So it's very disturbing to some people that they have to work all that time and build and build and build. They don't think it's fair, and they think that woman should build with them to help them get to that level, or that women should go 50-50 so they can get to that level a lot faster by saving their own money, or that we can get to this level together. But then that's not impressive anymore. Like, what are you going to do to impress the woman if she helped you get there? You know, a lot of men don't think this through before they start talking. They think that a woman is supposed to help them build up their legacy and build up their empire, but then it's not yours, it's hers. Okay, because it doesn't count if you don't do it by yourself.
YouTube, what's going on, fellas? Good evening. Ferocious Mgtow here. And of course, I'm not rolling because I was off today and I was doing my accounting work so I can have my taxes turned in by Tuesday. So I was pretty much busy all day. I worked out a little bit, made something to eat, and then pretty much worked on my accounting work all day today. So I finally wrapped it up. I'm gonna look it over again before I turn it in tomorrow. And I'm leaving out. It's still in Atlanta, and I'm leaving out tomorrow on my way to Iowa City, Iowa tomorrow. So I'm gonna pick my load up. It's in the late afternoon. I think it's around 3. So I got plenty enough time to get it up to Iowa City, and then that'll bring me back towards Chicagoland. So I'll be back in the city probably by Wednesday or Thursday, something like that. Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, one of them days. But anyhow, I couldn't help it but to log on to my favorite, and I do mean favorite, post-wall BW. Lord have mercy, this woman. Do y'all hear? Did you hear what she said? For all you guys that think a woman is going to help you build, you are sadly mistaken. I was telling somebody that this earlier today, that women will not help you build. They will help you tear up, but they will not help you build. They want you to build it so they can just come in and take it over. And you heard it from the cow's mouth. Okay? Men tend to not believe each other because they got us so at each other's not at each other's throats, but they got us where we doubt when a man is trying to share some light on a situation. So we doubt each other when a guy's trying to give you good advice. But that's why I want you all to hear directly from the cow's mouth. Women will not help you build. They will help you destroy what you have built. So that's why you need to corroborate. I can't even get it out. I got to forgive me, guys. I've been in this computer all day. we got to work together, right? So we can build up our own net worth and lead them out of the picture totally. They should be used for exactly what they are, is receptacles. That's it. You know what I mean? They want to use you for your resources, and they're not really concerned with legacy. They're not really concerned with building dynasties. They're not really concerned with leaving generational wealth. No. They didn't decide it, that it's all about them. Okay, they didn't harden their hearts. They got that demon Jezebel spirit in them, and it ain't no turning it around. They got the law on their side. They got the judges on their side. They got all the manginas, the simps, the white knights. It's an army of them, right? And it's all designed to fleece you of your hard-earned resources. So women will not help you build. Period. You have to build it yourself, and then you have to maintain it. Simple as that. You got to maintain it. They're not interested in building dynasties. They don't care about generational wealth. And even if you had kids by these women, they would be dressed to the nines, hair, fake up, purses, all of the latest designer gear, shoes, the whole nine. Kids be looking like ragamuffins, ragadowns, right? I've seen it too many times. And they be out in public and don't even care. They don't care how their kids are looking. So we got to get out of this mindset that we need to be providers for them. No. We need to provide for ourselves. This is the new paradigm. Get over it. Accept it. Plain and simple. Right? And I just heard about that case up there, I think it's in Canada, where the dude didn't have no kid by the chick. He never gave her a ring. They wasn't married. They didn't live together. The fact, just by the mere fact that he inserted himself in her, makes him liable for something like, what, 50 something, I forgot how much money, $50,000 or whatever. And we know once one Western country get this madness, the rest of them will figure out a way to try to adopt it and make it a law. They may tweak it a little bit where it can go down a little bit smoother, but it's going to be sort of the same thing. So now they're getting to the point where they don't want us nowhere near them, or we're going to have to pay. Now that guy probably wasn't savvy enough, but you know, they make any case the test case. They can just pick any case to make it a test case. So I can't see how the guy would really defend himself against that if he would just, even if he was just pumping and dumping her. Now, if you pump and dump, guess what? You got to pay. She don't need no ring, no commitment, no nothing. And the man is liable. But the female not liable if she give you some. So it's getting to bizarro world. It's turning into bizarro world. And I guess Canada feel left out. You know, they I guess they want to compete with Portugal and Spain, right? And Australia. So I don't know, guys. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. So I think we're gonna end up doing exactly what I've been always saying. You're either gonna be monk or you're gonna be getting your passport stamped and going to the third world. Simple as that. Because these first world countries is over with. It's over with. The marriage market finna completely collapse. Dating is over with. Chivalry is dead. The child birth rates are finna fall through the floor. It's over with. You know what I mean? And I think the more, and I'm actually in a way glad that this is happening, because this is what The only people who gonna go for this are the simps, because they're not gonna see it coming. So they're gonna get blindsided. So when enough of them get blindsided, they're gonna eventually wake up, find our content online, because they're gonna want to know how they got themselves in all this trouble, right? And they're gonna go online and find all our content, and we finna wake up an army of red pill men. And that's the only way I can see that this is going to turn around, because we need to get to the point where we able to put our own people in office that's going to interpret laws or draft laws and interpret laws in our favor. Right now, we don't have the numbers, but I think with them doing these type of measures, we will have the numbers in the immediate future. So bring it on. Matter of fact, throw the cold kitchen sink at us. You know what I mean? Guys, it's gonna have to get on the ball, or you're gonna get, ate alive. You're gonna be turned into chopped liver. So it is what it is. The genie's out the bottle. Ain't no putting it back. Ain't no putting it back. So go ahead, throw the kitchen sink at us. This just wake us up faster. This will wake up more of us, because a lot of us are awake, but we need to wake up more. And they're going to do it for us. That's right. They're going to do it for us. So bring it on. But I ain't want to keep you guys too long. I just wanted to bring y'all this because I know by tomorrow I've been and forgot what I wanted to say. So I just decided to give it to you now. And I'm getting ready, because I'm over here at at one of our terminals here in Atlanta. And I'm getting ready to walk this lot. This lot is pretty big. I think I walked it 4 times yesterday, and it came up to almost 4 miles. So I'm going to walk at least 3 before I lay down, and then do a few more curls and a few more push-ups, and that way I feel like I earned some sleep. Probably go take a shower too, and then lay it on down and get up early, look over my accounting work, and then make sure I email it over to the accountant. But okay, guys, I didn't want to keep you long. I just wanted to give y'all a video. I've been trying to, a couple of days off, enjoying myself down here in Atlanta. So I've had a really good time. And tomorrow's back to work. So you'll get another video tomorrow. So hope everybody's feeling good. Hope everybody's well. I hope everybody's being good stewards of your health, because we know nobody's going to look after our health but us. And of course, health is wealth. Also, I'll bring it up tomorrow. What my plans are. But until then, peace and hair grease.